The Yangdong Luohan Miao from Liping are known for their bold traditions and style. The women tie their hair with persimmon wood combs, and wealthier ones rock gold and silver earrings. Their outfits feature brocade tops with double belts, and embroidered patches decorated with silver coins, paired with skirts that include a special embroidered tail. They wash their hair in the river every few days. Marriage customs are unique. Women often stay with their parents for a while before moving to their husband's home. The men, referred to as raw Miao, are all about strength and independence. They wear short outfits, carry knives and crossbows, and are experts with spears and halberds, always ready for action. The Yangdong Luohan Miao mix style, strength, and culture in the most fascinating way. Are these Miaos, Hmong? What do you think? Comment below.